In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your ChatGPT email address. If you've been wondering whether you can change the email address associated with your ChatGPT account, it's important to know that OpenAI does not currently provide a direct option to replace the email address on an existing account. However, if your goal is to continue using the same API platform organization with a different email address, there is a straightforward workaround that allows you to do exactly that. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process from start to finish. Begin by opening a new browser tab and navigating to the OpenAI platform. Once you've signed into the account that owns your existing organization, you'll be taken to the platform dashboard where you can manage your organization's settings and members. From the dashboard, locate the Settings menu and open it. Inside the Settings section, select the People page. This area displays the members who currently have access to your organization. If you're planning to use a different email address with the same organization, this is where you'll make the necessary change. Before continuing, create a new OpenAI account using the email address you want to use going forward. Once that account has been created, return to the People page of your original organization. Here you'll be able to invite the new account to join the organization. Click the Invite button to begin the process. Enter the new email address associated with the account you just created. Next, choose the appropriate role for that account based on the level of access you want it to have within the organization. Be sure to select the role that best matches your intended use before sending the invitation. After confirming the details, click the Invite button to send the invitation. The new account will receive an invitation to join the organization. Once that invitation has been accepted, the new email address will become a member of the same API platform organization, allowing you to continue working within the existing organization without needing to transfer projects manually. Keep in mind that this process does not change the email address on your original ChatGPT account. Instead, it gives your new account access to the same organization, which is the recommended approach when you need to use a different email address while maintaining access to your existing API platform organization. That's all there is to it. By creating a new account, inviting it through the People section, and assigning the appropriate role, you can continue working within the same organization using your preferred email address. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,